Hi, Michelle Florendo here with another tip to help you figure out what's next in your career. I've been talking about decisions and how uncertainties and how things will play out sometimes makes it difficult to decide. And so today I'll be sharing a tool that you can use to help sort through the decisions you have to make and the uncertainties that exist. And that's building a decision tree. So in a decision tree, you have two different types of nodes. One is decision nodes, so these are the decisions you have to make, the things within your control. And the other are uncertainty nodes. These are the nodes that you cannot control. So for example, let's say that you want to try something. You can decide to try it or not. And if you do try it, there's some uncertainty around whether it'll work or not work. In this way, as you build out your decision tree, you can identify what are the pieces you can control, what are the pieces you can't, and then also extend out and assess what are the things that you can do as a result of how things play out. Hope you found this helpful. Stay tuned and I'll have more tips on how you can sort through the decisions you have next in your career. See you next time.